There's a root mass right there. It's on the left. It's growing in from the top. You see the water flowing right there. Right above it, and on the side is the root mass. And we are 14 feet in from the toilets. That's the first mass. Line 45's right. Back up. See another root mass at the very top there. Bottom of the pipe, top of the pipe. You see all the roots right there growing in. That's 19 feet in from the toilet. You see it's holding water. 21 feet in, boom. Another root mass. You see it right there. On the top of the pipe, again, there's the water. Another root mass there. You got a root starting growing from over here down the side there. More roots. 22 feet in. This is all terracotta clay pipe. And you can see it's holding water. 27 feet in. So there's another, nope, never mind. Oh, yep. Yep, another root mass right there. Going on the bottom of the pipe. That's causing an issue big time. More roots growing in right there. You can see it. It's on the side of the pipe. About 36 feet in. There's more right there. Right there off the side, there's more growing in.